Shay, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm gonna make latkes. I'm so excited. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a grated fried potato, usually eaten around Hanukkah. I know I just missed it, but I'm doing them anyway. And you can eat these anytime you want. That's the exciting thing about it. I don't really know what I'm doing. I forgot an egg. Shoot, hold on. I watched a video of a lady making these twice, so I'm hoping I can replicate it. So you need potatoes, an egg. I'm using 3 potatoes, so hopefully it won't make too much. Half an onion I'm gonna grate, salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna use vegetable oil to fry them. Shallow fry them. They're not gonna be deep fried. So I'm gonna peel the potatoes, shred them. You need some bowls. So anyway, very exciting. First I'm gonna peel the potatoes and I'll start grating. Done. So you're supposed to use starchy potatoes. I just got the ones that were at the grocery store. I don't know if they're starchy or not. I got my big shredder, the shredded this side of the shredder. Next thing you know, you're shredding the potatoes. And I got 2 pretty large potatoes and 1 small potato. Standing up. So I already forgot things that are needed. I'm gonna need a clean towel so that I can squeeze out all the moisture from the potatoes. After you do 1 potato, you're gonna wanna grate the onion so that it's already mixed in. You know what I mean? So the onion is grated in between the potatoes. So I'm gonna try not to cry. Whew. Keep my eyes away. Get another potato going. Oh jeez, this is making a lot more than I thought it would. I'm gonna put in more onion now. Oh jeez, starting to cry now. Okay, and the last potato. Okay, here's a little trick I just thought of. Start with your biggest potato so that when you get to the last one it feels quick. Like that last one went by in no time, but that was just because it was a little potato. So get this all out, and then you want to rinse this in cold water. I'm gonna get some ice water in here and try to get the starch off of it. Make sure the potatoes, oh, this is so much. I really didn't think I was making this much. Anyway, make sure the potatoes are fully submerged. Let it sit for like about maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna transfer only the potatoes to this other bowl. And apparently starch is supposed to build up on the bottom of this bowl and then you use that starch later on. We're gonna see if that happens. I don't really know. I figure I saw somebody in a video do it, so let's try her out. Get these cubes out. Okay, so now I'm gonna ladle the water out and see if there's starch on the bottom. Let's see. All right, it worked. See all that white starchy stuff? So that is natural potato starch, and that is going to make the potatoes extra crispy. So next, I'm gonna put the potatoes in here, and then you gotta drain them. Wrap it kind of like a candy. Actually, not as wet as I thought it would be. Or I'm just weak. I don't know, these potatoes don't seem that wet. But I mean, the more liquid you can get out, the better. Because that also makes it crispier. Alright, well, did quite a bit. Okay, so then I'm gonna put it right into the little starch bowl that I just acquired. See if this next batch has a little more water. Oh yeah, this next batch definitely feels a bit wet. Okay, wrap it like candy. Twist the sides. Oh geez, making a mess. I'm bulletproof. Okay, batch number 2. Done and done. got potatoes everywhere. So next you need about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So I did about 8 twists. And then I think you need like a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Well, I don't know, I think I just did more pepper. That was 10 twists. 1 egg. I'm gonna mix it with my hands because, I don't know, because that does the job. It's, yeah, it's not too wet. It's like a little wet. Get the starch from the bottom onto all the pieces. Get the yolk all over everything. And you can use a spoon. You don't need to do this. Alright, so once it's mixed, I'm gonna go put some oil in a pan and we can start frying. Turned on the stove to medium heat. So basically enough to cover the edges of the frying pan. So to see if it's ready, you just throw one in. See, it's not ready. Test one more time. Okay, so it seems like it's about ready. So I'm gonna use this ice cream scoop. Fill it up, get my spatula ready. Oh, jeez. That one went a little crazy. Oh geez, maybe I'm gonna need to ball these up a little more. Alright, so it looks like the outsides are crisping up a little. You can give it another minute or so. Okay, this one looks cooked. So let's flip it. Okay, I'm gonna flip the second one. Oh, that one's looking better. Better than the other one. More even crisp. Alright, we're gonna try flipping this guy one more time because the other side didn't crisp up as much. Okay. Taking it out. I'm putting it on a wire drying rack. This guy, we're gonna pack them in. I'm gonna make them with my hands and throw them on. Try to make them a little more mixed together. So it looks like this one's cooked. Alright, we're gonna flip this guy. Now we'll flip this last one. Now this guy's done. This one's done too. For the next batch. I just finished cooking these. I wanted to show you that I put them on a cookie rack and that makes them crispier instead of putting them directly on paper towels. As you can see, they look delicious. They're beautiful. They have so much crunch. I already tried one and they're freaking good. So 3 potatoes, 2 big and 1 small potato made 14 latkes for reference. But anyway, so I usually like them with applesauce and sour cream. I don't have sour cream, so I'm doing just applesauce. They're so crunchy. It's so good. I mean, the middle has a little ooey gooey potato flavor and the edge is just like pure crisp. Pure crunch. Anyway, I would recommend using as big a frying pan as you can because it took me a while for them to fry. I could fit 4 little ones, but a lot of the time it only fit 3. So use a big frying pan. Happy Hanukkah. Hope you all had a great holiday. And if not, you could still make these for breakfast. These are basically hash browns. So good. So these I just came off. These are definitely crispier. I definitely cooked those a bit longer than the rest. It's just so pretty. I don't know if you eat like potato sticks from the can, sticks with the X, but that tastes just like this. Thank you for watching.